Have you ever noticed that your wandering geoplant or Zebrina plant grows long, thin vines instead of becoming thick and bushy? Many plant parents think this is normal, but actually, it's usually caused by a few simple mistakes. So today, I'm going to show you 3 professional techniques that growers use to turn a leggy wandering geo into a dense, beautiful, cascading plant. And with this, hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Subah. I'm a plant expert and researcher, and welcome to Plantology. The first and most important trick is regular pruning. The wandering geo, also known as Tradescantia Zebrina, grows very fast. When the vines become too long, the plant starts putting all its energy into length instead of branching. So what you should do is trim the long stems regularly, as soon as the stems are around 6 to 7 inches long. When you cut the stem, it activates the dormant nodes below, which then produce multiple side shoots. This means that one vine can develop into 2 or 3 new branches, making the plant appear much bushier. Now, after pruning, this is not the end. Instead of throwing the cuttings away, simply place those cuttings back into the same pot in the gap spaces, which comes to the next point: replant the cuttings. Tradescantias are extremely easy to propagate, and the cuttings will develop roots very quickly. You can propagate the cuttings separately by placing in water, or you can just directly insert them into the gaps. Once they start growing, they will fill the empty spaces in the pot and create a much fuller plant. And this is how growers turn a single plant into a thick cascading basket. And finally, provide bright indirect light. For compact growth, place your plant where it receives bright indirect light or gentle morning 1 or 2 hours of direct sunlight, because in low light, the stems will stretch and become weak and leggy. Adequate light encourages stronger growth, shorter indoor nodes, and more branching, which contributes to a bushier plant. Now, here is a pro tip. Professional growers often prune their wandering geo every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season, which is summer. By combining regular pruning, replanting cuttings, and good lighting, you can transform a thin-looking Zebrina plant into a lush, bushy one very quickly. If you want a fuller wandering geo plant, which is also known as inch plant or Zebrina plant, remember these 3 essential techniques. Prune the long vines regularly, replant those cuttings in the same pot, and provide bright indirect light for compact, vibrant growth. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to Plantology for more plant care tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.